Managing programs just got easier with the new NTU Continuing Education Training Management System. As a self-service platform, the portal allows you to update your company particulars, as well as indicate your company branches and their specific points of contacts to manage and organize applications and sponsorship across all units. You can even indicate if you are a small-medium enterprise (SME) for relevant fundings. With just a few clicks, you can explore the NTU catalog with ease and discover courses your employees need for upskilling. Conveniently explore the program details, then either apply on behalf of your employee or generate the program link so they can easily apply themselves. With the new trainer portal, managing your engagements more convenient and within your control. Easily keep track of your company sponsorships, from applications awaiting verification to active enrollments, and a complete history of past enrollments all in one convenient view. Effortlessly view and manage all your current programs while keeping tabs on the payments you need to make, as well as your history of transactions. Stay on top of your employees' learning journey with the Training Details dashboard, where you can easily view program application details and track their progress every step of the way. With the new corporate portal, your learning journey isn't just easier, it's smarter, more convenient, and within your control. Let's step up and strengthen our partnership to foster lifelong learning with the NTU Continuing Education Corporate Portal.